As the learning process continues and your confidence increases, it's now time to go up another level and start to appreciate how the connector is going to help you get to full power. This is really, really important, but I want you to take your time. So we set up again, right hand below left, creating that separation in the setup to represent impact. And from here, it's the same journey of the hands around the body, but one thing you'll notice is the center rod is starting to point behind me. The max rotation of that movement is going to load your golf swing and get you into a position where you can really power down into impact. At this stage, I want you to get into a rehearsal mindset. Let me explain that. Into our address position, understand the lean, load the full backswing, and come down and return to where you want to be at impact. Once you can rehearse this, loading up fully, down to impact, and you feel familiar and confident enough, it's then time to clip the ball away with a full swing. Into our address position, little bit of lean, load the golf swing up, down into a soft impact, compressing the ball. This is the next stage of development. Full backswing, soft downswing, appreciating the mechanics and movements required to maximize your game.